Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share one all-time Bengalis favorite sweet dish, that is Mishti Doi or Bhapa Doi. Bengalis can't finish their food without dessert, and Mishti Doi is one of the very popular dessert. Make this, we need tight yogurt, means to extract the extra water from the yogurt. Here I hung the yogurt in cotton cloths. Please don't throw this water. This is very nutritious. You can use in your cooking, in curry or wherever you want. You can see the yogurt is very thick now. You can use Greek yogurt also. If you use Greek yogurt, then you can use it straight away. You can tell it Mishti Doi, Bhapa Doi or steamed yogurt. Today, here I am making flavored Mishti Doi. For that I am adding mango pulp. That will add the color and that will add the flavor as well. Now I will add condensed milk. I am not adding any sugar as I added condensed milk. But if you want, you can add sugar now. It's optional. For the measurement, I used this bowl for everything. You will love the color and you will love the flavor of this Mishti Doi. Now mix everything together. As I added mango pulp, the color turns very tempting. Now the mixture is ready. For steaming, I'll grease these small bowls here individually and fill it 3/4 of the bowl with the mixture. You will find it easier to remove this Mishti Doi from the bowl when you grease it properly. Tap the bowl to settle the mixture. This time we'll boil the water to steam this yogurt. Now I'll wrap these bowls with aluminum foil so while steaming doesn't drop into the mixture. Otherwise it will be very watery and that Bhapa Doi you can't make Bhapa Doi. Now all the bowls are ready for steaming. Now water is ready. I'll place all the bowls and steam it for 25 to 30 minutes. After placing all the bowls, please cover the lid. After 15 minutes, please check the water level. If it needs, then please add water. After 25 minutes, keep these bowls into the fridge for 2-3 hours. Always serve it cool. After 2 to 3 hours keeping in the fridge, take it out and remove the aluminum foil. All set now, and our Mishti Doi or Bhapa Doi or steamed yogurt, whatever you say, it's ready. It's lovely flavor because of the mango pulp. It added extra flavor and that color, and just decorate with some crushed pistachio. So it's ready to serve. Enjoy with your family. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.